Hi everyone, my name is Monas Esfandiari. I'm an architecture student here at Washington State, and today I will talk about the app Procreate from A to Z. I will explain why you should use Procreate, how to install it, how to draw and use its feature, and a lot of other cool stuff that you can do with this app. Procreate is my favorite digital app for drawing and rendering. As I mentioned, I'm an architecture student, so I have to draw a lot to show my ideas and present them to others. I used to edit my drawing using other softwares like Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, which was a little bit complicated for me personally, and I had to spend a lot of time on it. I also have to say that these apps and softwares are great, and I still use it for some parts of my drawings. So if you feel comfortable using it, you should definitely go for it. Anyway, the reason that I like to work with this app is because it gives me a lot of flexibilities to work with layers, editing stuff, tracing, and making my favorite color plate. I can do all these drawings with hand, just like that I'm drawing and doing things on actual paper. Another aspect that I decided to use Procreate is that it saves money. As a student, I have to be very careful on spending my money. Using other softwares and apps, I had to pay monthly, but with Procreate, you only have to pay $10 to download, and there's no subscription and renewal fee after that. So you only have to pay for this app once. And of course, you should have an iPad and an Apple Pencil. So, this was a brief introduction of Procreate app and why you should use it. This app is really great and easy to work with, and it could be a great alternative for other softwares like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and even AutoCAD. I also have to mention that all this information is based on my personal experiences. So if you really enjoy working with other apps, you should definitely go for it. And also, I would love if you can share them here. So thank you so much for watching, and in the next video, I will show you how to install Procreate and use this amazing app for your future drawings.